This is how you can use your iPhone to create a Wi-Fi network in your car. It's really simple to set up. All you need is to have data on your cell phone plan. Otherwise, this won't work. If you get value from this video, consider liking and subscribing because it really helps the channel and I really appreciate it. So thank you for doing that. Let's hop into the settings to get started. Go back to the main settings page. Just click the back arrow on the top left if you're not here already. And if we scroll down just a little bit, we're going to see a personal hotspot option. Tap on that to open it. It's currently turned off, denoted by this toggle here. If I tap that, that turns on my personal hotspot, which is essentially a Wi-Fi network that others can now connect to using this password. The cool thing is, if they have Apple devices, whoever's traveling with you, you turn this on, they bring their Apple device near your phone, and it automatically asks if you want to allow them to connect to your personal hotspot. You just tap yes, and everything else is done. You don't need to copy and paste passwords, email or text passwords. They just connect instantly. And with family sharing, if you have a bunch of family members set up, you can have it so that they just automatically join your Wi-Fi network whenever you have it turned on. So whenever you're on a road trip or what have you, you can just turn on your personal hotspot in your car, just put your phone on the console, and then everybody can just automatically connect and use the Wi-Fi on your phone. And then when you're done, you want to make sure that you turn this off. Otherwise, your phone's going to keep transmitting your Wi-Fi network. Even if no one's connected, it's going to keep transmitting, which is going to drain your battery faster. And if anybody who you don't know manages to figure out what your password is, then they can just connect to your Wi-Fi network and use up all your data. They cannot connect just by bringing their phone or device near yours because you have to approve that connection on your end. But if they see your password, then they could use that to get in. Next up, this video is going to show you how to create more space from pretty much nothing on your iPhone. You're going to want to watch that. I'll see you there.